Customers always want to feel seen and understood by the brands that they know and love. Now, the most successful customer profiles I've come across so far or created for clients usually goes beyond just their name and phone numbers and where they stay. It's actually a detailed profile about who your customer is. Hi there, I'm Edwin Dela. In this video, I want to explain to you what a customer profile is and how to create one for your business. Let's jump right into it. Now, one may ask, what's a customer profile? A customer profile is basically identifying and describing your customer based on their demographics, their psychographics, their buying patterns, their buying behaviors, and amongst other factors. Now, in other words, it basically means identifying who exactly or most likely to buy your product or your service. So one may ask, what are some of the benefits of having a customer profile? One, it helps you create targeted content towards those who are likely to buy from you. Once you know your audience, you know who exactly you want to sell to. It helps you create better marketing products for them, marketing materials for them, marketing messages as well to reach them directly. So you don't end up creating a message for a mass where you don't find exactly who you want to target to come purchase your product or your service. Also, it helps you create a better customer service for them. Once you know who you are targeting, you know who they are, you know how to relate with them, it's easy for you to provide better customer service relationship or service support to them. Another benefit of having a customer profile is that it drives loyalty to your business. Once they feel connected to the business, when they feel connected to the brand, it's easy for them to rely on you. It's easy for them to market on your behalf in terms of giving out the information to others that this business is good, I buy from them and they treat me well. Another benefit of it is that it drives sales. Once you have a clear customer profile, you know exactly who you want to sell to. It makes selling easier for you. It makes marketing easier for you. So it's easy for you to reach out to your customers. It's easy for you to find your customers. It's easy for you to customize your product or your service to suit their needs exactly. So you don't end up wasting your time trying to sell to everyone. And you know, in business, you can't just sell to everyone. You have to sell to exactly who you want to sell to in terms of defining your target audience and your customer profile. Now, a quick one. Your customer profile and your target audience are not the same. I did another video on target audience. I think there's a link up here somewhere. Do click on it and go and watch that one to get an understanding of who your target audience is so that you don't confuse the two. And to sum it all up, one other benefit of having a customer profile is that it helps you cut the chaff off so you don't end up marketing to just everyone and hoping that they will come back to buy from you. Once you have a clear audience, you have a clear profile of who you want to sell to, it makes you target exactly who you want to sell your business or your products to. So having a clear customer profile really helps boost your business and cut off the chaff from your marketing audience as well. So as you can see on the screen now, this is an example or examples of customer profiles that you can use today to help you describe who exactly your customer is going to be and how to find them as well. So I'd urge you to take a screenshot or like this video and share this video with a friend so that you can skip the reference link over there. Or you can also just keep it in your favorites or create a playlist with it. So anytime at all you want it, you can easily find it. There's no doubt that knowing your customer profile really helps your sales and marketing team, and it helps your business in general as well in terms of creating the right product or the right service to suit the right person or the right group of people that are trying to target. So always take your time to create the right profile to suit your business or your product or service you're offering. Now, I hope this video gave you a clear understanding between the target audience and the customer profile, because a lot of time people misunderstand the difference between the target audience and the customer profile. So I hope this video has helped you. If you did enjoy it, I'm Edwin Dela. On this channel, I share content on business, branding, productivity, and growth mindset. Do share this video and hit that subscribe button over there if you've not subscribed yet. Share this video with a friend and leave a comment down there for me. Let me know you're enjoying the content, and also helps YouTube as well recognize that we are doing a great job over here to promote the video to reach more people. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Cheers.